All right, here we are. This is the process of rewrapping the sound panels with fabric. The first step is the fiberglass panel gets a even coat of spray adhesive, and then the fabric is pulled over on top, floated nice and tight, and then dropped. You can see how they leave enough on the edge to wrap around the back, and then just using a simple paint roller with a dry roller cover on, you can see it feathers out all the lumps. And after that, a slice from the fabric. Trim the selvage off the edge with carpenter's knives. And once this is done, the panel's ready to flip. And an even coat of spray adhesive will be applied to the edges. You can see they're picking off chunks of lint or fabric debris so the fabric remains smooth on the surface finish. Now it's really just a nice tucking, kind of a pull the tautness of the fabric and then wrap it over. See how they reapply adhesive on the corner.